Good morning friends and warm welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. This is your tech assistant Ratul. In this video, I am going to show you how you can reset your password of your Gmail account. This video is specially made for basic Android users. So if you know how to do this, just like the video and share with your friends and family, then you can skip this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Choose all notifications to get latest uploads. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel to get latest applications and latest news at first. So without any delay, let's start. Friends, there are two ways to reset your password. First, if you know your existing password but you want to change, and second, you forgot your password and you want to change. I will show you the two methods. For this, I am opening my Gmail.
Photos, Chrome, Google, Gmail, email, search in emails, Firma.
So I have already logged in my official Gmail account, our official Gmail account, Accessible Computing YouTube team Gmail account. So I'm just touch on the top right corner.
Signed in as Accessible
I'm
Computing
clicking
YouTube.
here.
Account and settings.
I'm
Close
swiping from
button.
left to right.
Signed in as Accessible. Change profile. Manage your Google account button.
So I know the password, but I want to change the password. First, I will show you this method. Okay. So to do this, you have to click on
Manage your Google account.
Manage your Google account.
Google account. Google account.
Here you will find some tabs. So I am swiping from left to right to see the options.
Accessible. Done. Help. Search.
Help, search,
Google account.
Google account.
Selected. Personal info. Tab. 2
So
of
you need to
6.
click on personal info.
Personal info. Selected. Data and privacy. Tab. 3 of 6.
Swipe.
Your profile. Basic. Your profile info and Google services.
Okay.
Personal info and options to manage it.
So these
You can
are the
make some of
options
this
in
info,
personal
like your
info. I'm
contact
swiping from left
details.
to right.
Basic info.
Basic info.
Some info may be visible to photo. A photo helps personalize your account.
This is your profile photo of your Google account. If you want to change, you can change from here.
Edit. Name. Accessible Computing YouTube team.
So this is your Google account name, which shows on your Google account. Suppose when you send any email, the recipient can see the name. Okay, so I'm swiping from left to right again.
Birthday. November. Gender. Rather not say.
So birthday, gender,
Contact info.
contact info. So I'm not showing you the contact info because there are my mobile numbers and recovery email address are showing. I will make another video that what is the recovery email address and recovery phone number. So I will make another video.
Phone your profiles. See how your different profiles appear in Google
So
services.
then your profile, okay. So your profile, which means you can create a personalized profile for different services or different websites. Okay, I'm not discussing in detail.
See. Choose what others see. Decide
Choose-
what person.
okay.
Go to about me. Other info. Password.
Yes.
A secure password
Click
helps
here.
protect.
Password.
Google Play services.
So just wait.
Navigate up. Google. Sign in Google accounts. Google. Accessible Computing YouTube team. Heading 1. Info.accessiblecomputing
So this is our email address.
team. To continue. Password. To continue. First verify that it's you.
Okay, so if you know your password and you want to change, now here you have to type your password
Password. Edit box.
in this
Enter
edit
your
box.
password.
After that, I'm swiping.
Not ticked. Show password.
So this
Tick
is
box.
show password options. If you check this box, the password will be visible.
Show password. Next. Button.
Next button.
Forgot password.
Yeah.
Button.
So if you forgot your password, just click here forgot password. I'm not showing you right now because I will show you after a little bit. So I have remembered my password, so I am entering my password, then I come back to the video after clicking the next button. I have entered my password and click in next button. Let's see what are the options in the next screen.
Password.
Password.
Choose a strong password and don't learn more. Changing your exceptions. Changing your password will sign you out on your devices. Full stop. New password.
So this is the option to choose a new password.
Password. Edit box.
Here you have to type your new password.
Show password.
The same box is here also.
Passwords. Use at least 8. Learn how to create a strong password. Confirm new password.
Confirm new password. You have to retype your password here.
Password. Show password. Change password. Button.
So when you finished, you can just click on change password button and your password will be changed. Remember, once you change your password, your Google account will sign out from other devices where you have already logged in. To choose a password, you have to remember the following things. Password should contain at least 8 characters with 1 capital letter, 1 small letter, 1 number and 1 special character. The special characters are @ number sign, dollar sign, Indian rupee sign, slash, dot or any punctuation. So this is the way. If you know the password, you can change from here. If you forgot your password, you can just click on forgot button and you can easily set your password again. Now I am going to show you, if you forgot your password, then how can you do this. For this, I want to sign in my another Gmail account, which is my business account. So let me go back to the main window of Gmail.
Google account.
So I'm just clicking on
signed in as accept.
Top right corner of the screen.
Add another account.
So I'm clicking on add another account.
Account setup. Setup email. Google Outlook. Google. Setup email.
So this is how you can set up your new email address also. So this is another video also, another topic also I am going to discuss right now, along with the password reset process.
Google.
So click in Google.
Account setup. Checking info. Heading.
So Google will check info.
Select fingerprint icon. Image. Fingerprint authenticated.
Okay.
Google. Sign in with your Google account. Sign in. Sign in with your Google. Learn more about group. Edit box. Email or phone.
So here you need to give your email ID or phone number. So I am suggesting you to give email ID because if you have more than 1 email IDs in your phone number, then you may have some problem. That's why you need to give your email ID here. I'm typing my email ID.
Edit box. Email or phone. Forgot email. Editing. Ratul@gmail.com.
So I have already typed my email address. Next.
Forgot email.
So if you forgot email, you can easily retrieve your email ID by using your mobile number or any other details. I'm not showing you in details.
Collapsed. Create account. Menu pop-up.
This is the option to create a new account.
Next button.
So I'm clicking on next.
Web view. Keyboard hidden. Welcome. Google. Welcome. Ratul@gmail. Password. Edit box.
Yes.
Enter your
I have
password.
forgotten my password. Now let me forgot password.
Show forgot next. Forgot password. Button.
So from here or where I have already showed you from the password changing option, click on forget password.
Keyboard hidden. Account Google. Account to help keep your account. Ratul@gmail. Get a Google. Get a verification code.
Yes, get a verification code. Now you will receive a verification code.
I don't have my phone. Send button.
So I'm clicking on send button to receive my verification code.
Web view. Account recovery to help keep your account safe. Account recover Google. Account editing. Password. Edit box. Create password. Heading 2.
So Google will automatically read your OTP. Okay. So don't worry. If not, then the edit box will come to write OTP. Just type OTP and click on confirm or verify button and you will find this screen. Here you need to choose the password, and after choosing the password you have to retype the password and then click on change password or save password or something like this. You will be able to change the password successfully. So I am not showing you step-by-step details because I don't want to expand this video anymore. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope this short video will help you a lot. Please let me know your opinion into the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. See you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.